Ready to upgrade your home heating and cooling with a ductless mini-split heat pump? The first step is to make sure to choose the right ductless HVAC contractor in Ithaca, New York. Why? Because every ductless heat pump installation is a custom installation. Did you know most problems reported by consumers can be traced back to an improper heat pump installation? Be careful, because a lot can go wrong in the hands of an inexperienced installer. Ready for real comfort? Say hello to your new best friend. ANC Heating and Air Conditioning leads the way as the top ductless heat pump contractor in Ithaca, New York. Get peace of mind with their ductless system installation experts that will take care of 3 important steps. 1. They know that homes come in all shapes and sizes, so they'll make sure to match the right unit to your needs. 2. They'll ensure a proper product placement. 3. They'll come prepared to provide a professional mini-split heat pump installation so you can enjoy years of home comfort. Get ready to enjoy year-round comfort with a Daikin ductless system, because just one unit does it all. A ductless heat pump can both heat and cool one room, one area, or your whole house. Daikin mini-split heat pumps are dependable, ultra-functional, quiet in operation, and energy efficient. Exactly what every smart homeowner needs. Wondering if a ductless mini-split heat pump is right for you? Hire a contractor with credentials. Nobody knows heat pumps like the folks at ANC Heating and Air Conditioning. They're an approved Daikin contractor, family-owned and operated, NATE certified, A+ BBB rated, and a consumer top-rated contractor. Based in Ithaca, New York, they serve the entire area, including Lansing, Cayuga Heights, Dryden, and Berkshire. Schedule a free consultation. Get high service without high pressure. Call 607-273-1009 today.